First, find the white center and match up all 4 white edges around it. Make sure the other color on each edge also matches with the other center. Next, insert each white corner by bringing it above the slot with the matching colors and repeating these 4 moves 1 to 5 times until it's all lined up. After all 4 of those, insert the middle layer edges by lining up the front color like this, and if it needs to move to the right, do this algorithm. And then if it needs to move to the left like this one, do this algorithm. After the middle layer, if there are no yellow edges facing up, do this algorithm. Now if they form an L shape like this, hold it in the back and do the same algorithm. And then if they form a line, do the same algorithm so that they're all facing up and across. Next, turn the top layer until 2 edges are lined up on the side. If they're opposite each other, do this algorithm from any angle. Then with 2 adjacent edges lined up, hold them like this, do the same algorithm, and then they'll all be lined up. If none of the corners are in the right spot, do this algorithm from any angle. Then once you find one that's in the right spot, hold it on the right and do the same algorithm once or twice until they're all in the right spot. Finally, hold any twisted corner to the right and repeat these 4 moves until it's all lined up. Then carefully turn the top layer to the next twisted corner and repeat until they're all solved. And there you go.